viewers, this is Palace Kiddies Craft. Today we'll be making tissue roll flower wrist bands. Get a tissue roll, slit into down like that, and then measure out bands that are 4 centimeters wide. Measure and draw the 4 centimeter line round, then cut out. Cut a second band out of the remaining. Then pick one of the bands and wrap them round with a plain sheet of colored paper, one at a time. Apply some glue. Make the flowers that we have on top of the already made bands. So we'll be making this first. We'll make the inner center piece first by cutting a circle right round. Cut right round until you get to the center. Stop it like that. Then curl it inwards. Then apply some glue. And then leave it to dry. Pick 2 square sheets of papers, fold them twice. The first fold and then a second fold. Then draw on it the shape of this flower. After drawing, then cut out. Open it up to get something like this. So place them aside. Then we'll make the center portion of the second flower by using a long strip of rectangular paper. Okay. This should be fine. Cut it, fold it into 2. And then make equal slits along the folded part of the strip. Continue until you get to the second end. Then unfold it after cutting. Unfold and fold over again. Then begin to fold inwards along the edge until you get to the second end. Cut off a little portion. Apply some glue to stick together. Then stick it together and then open up the flower. So once it's opened up, we have something like this. Place aside and make the last flower design by folding a square sheet of paper of dimension 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. Fold it 3 times and then a last fold like this. So we draw that shape of flower on it. It's just a circle, a flower with a circular upper part. Then cut it out. Open up and then stick the center piece to it like that and leave it to dry. So we stick the pieces of the first flower together as well. We'll place the gray one underneath the purple, and then we place the green flower on top and set it aside to dry. So we'll pick the bands that we have made. We use a scissors to put holes. Then fix twines into the holes that have been made. Curl up the edges. Place one of the flowers at the center of the band. Place aside to dry. Then fix twines onto the second band and put the flower on it. Now that they are ready, once dry, we have our very beautiful tissue roll wristbands for our kids to wear about. They can put it on their wrist like this and then tie with the twine. tie it together with a twine. Isn't it beautiful? Hope you like the video. Thank you.